Hi guys, Sammy Guns here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we will be building my very first keyboard. What? You need to aim lower.
No, that's
Is that the take?
Yeah.
Alright. For the keyboard, I got myself the GMMK full-size keyboard. For the switches, I've got the Gateron red switches. For the keycaps, I've opted for the Razer PVT keycaps. Obviously, there are a whole bunch of different colors that are available for keycaps, but I opted to get this purely to save some money. So, of course, this is my first build. Lord knows anything can happen, so we'll see how it goes. All right, shut up! All right. To help me with the build, I've got myself a lube brush, a switch opener. I also have the glorious lube station. So hopefully this will help me organize myself. Hopefully I don't lose anything. In terms of lubricants, I've got the G-Lube, as well as Krytox 502 grade 0. From the handful of videos I've watched, this is the choice that most people use, so we'll see how we go. Here we have the glorious lube station. Hopefully it will keep me organized. All right, here we go. Man, it's really in there. Come on. You're gonna have to... Okay. Oh, this looks nice. What is this? Oh, feet, I'm assuming, feet. Oh my God, is it meant to come out of here? It does, okay. Great. Oh, this is actually so nice. Now I'm just thinking, could I have like 3D printed this? I don't know, okay. Next, the old switches. So again, I've got the Gateron red switches, so these are linear. Oh. Oh, cool, and it comes with a sticker. It was all worth it. That's nice. What? Can you see it? Okay. And it came with tweezers. That's very nice. Thank you. I'm sure you'll cut out the bits in between.
No, I don't think I will.
All right, here we've got the lube brush. Oh God, it's really stuck. Oh, I've just broken the box. And I gotta say, this glorious like packaging is very nice. I really can't get it out. Ah, there we go. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Okay. Might need some scissors, I think. Alright, now I'm gonna pass this off screen. Here you go. Oh my God. Alright, great, thank you. Lube brush. Obviously got this on there. Yeah. Switch opener. Oops.
Try to be more vibrant.
I can't! This is just me! Alright, shut up! Very nice. Little Lego piece. Oh, really? Obviously, I've got the G-Lube, but I've also bought myself the Krytox as well. I think this is the one I'll be using just because everyone else has been using it, so I guess we'll see. But what I do like is that obviously Glorious has got everything that fits, so the G-Lube fits right in there, much like the switch opener. And I think there's actually a spot for the brush. Is this it? Eh? Love it. So good. Bring. Oh, I got a message. Okay. Now, I hear that you're only meant to do it like... Oh, the springs go this way. Okay, great. Man, this lube station was actually a good purchase, I'm not gonna lie. I know that you can be more generous with the spring, so I guess... Okay, I'll do that. Actually, I don't know if this is good or not. Okay, do that one. Can you not do a close-up on me? I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. And then I guess we'll do this. I don't know if this is the right way to go about it, but I'm doing it, it's happening. Can you...
This is actually really nice.
So fast forward maybe 6 hours in total of actual keyboard building. Here she is.
Wow.
Finally did it. So obviously a full-size keyboard. I actually bought 120 switches and I indeed lubed all of them. I guess I didn't really have to, but it was just in case I bent any pins, and guess what? I did. I bent pins on 2 switches. So that's all good. Got a number of spares. Maybe for a next build, who knows? Few thoughts. For me, at least for my very first build, I think in hindsight, I probably shouldn't have gone a full-size keyboard. It took an awfully long time to lube all the switches. I think possibly a next build, if I do another one, I think I would go 10 keyless. Just a few things about the board which I really like is the fact that it is full aluminium body, which is really, really nice. The other thing as well, of course, if you saw my last video, I do love RGB, which is why I went for these Razer keycaps, purely because like the light can shine through them. Having said that though, and I know this isn't necessarily a keycap review, but the Razer ones that I bought were cheap, were around 50 Australian dollars. I did read a couple of reviews and a lot of them were saying that there were a lot of small imperfections, and yeah, there were. So I might pull off a keycap. So some of the keycaps, just so you can see, you've got a number of imperfections, particularly down the bottom, where it's not necessarily smooth the whole way around. Having said that, if you are on a budget, like, I mean, it's not the end of the world, like the keycaps are facing down. And if you can look past the small imperfections, like the small scratches, I guess it's not a big deal. Another thing I noticed while building the keyboard, I went with, of course, the Gateron red switches, this one here. Thing I found, at least that doesn't necessarily say on the box that they are pre-lubed. I don't think that's something like what you are intending to buy when you buy it. But I did, as I was opening up the switches, I found that almost all of them were pre-lubed, but only the stem. So none of the housing and anything else on the switch was lubed at all. But yes, I thought it was interesting that some of them seemed semi-lubed. In terms of typing experience, this by far has been the smoothest typing experience I've had on any keyboard. I can definitely see how people fall down this keyboard rabbit hole, like myself. I know probably for a fact now that this won't be my last build. And yeah, it'd be cool to make another one knowing now what to expect. Another part of this keyboard I really liked was the fact that the keyboard itself is hot swappable, so I can switch out the switches with any switch I want. I think perhaps my next build might be more tactile. We'll see how we go. In terms of keycaps, I actually did buy myself another set. So I went with the Echo Black and Pink edition. So I think I'll put those on and we'll also do a sound test with both of the keycaps. So even just simply by changing the keycaps, it definitely changed the typing experience. Even before with the Razer ones, really nice, really smooth to type on. But changing to the Acco, definitely you could feel another difference and definitely a much nicer experience. All right, well there you have it, my very first keyboard. Let me know if you have any advice for me. Obviously I've learned a lot through the process, but any advice or tips, I'm happy to hear it. Let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I will see you guys later.
Okay, now I'm in the dark.
Yeah.
Now
right?
I feel like I can't see. Like I feel like
That's what I
can't
mean.
see now. Yeah, because like my pupils are like this
Alright,
big.
you
Like,
want to
tiny.
keep it on?
Can you like turn it onto the lowest setting? The lowest.
That is the lowest.
Is
There's only
it?
2 settings. These were the cheapest ones on
Okay,
eBay,
okay,
Sam.
no.
$30.